All right, now I'm gonna season my eggs with some garlic powder. You can season your eggs however you like. We just have our tricolor bell peppers with our full eggs in there. I next have my onion powder, and I did grease my sheet pan. That's super important. As you can see, some of those egg whites have escaped, but that's not gonna take away from the taste of this easy and delicious breakfast. We have some black pepper. I'm seasoning this up super quick. And then finally some salt. And you can skip the salt if you're worried about your sodium intake, but I personally love a little bit of salt on my breakfast. Beautiful. Next, I'm gonna come in with some cut up bacon, and we are gonna put some bacon bits on this first row of bell peppers right here. And you can use whatever meat you like. You can use whatever kind of bell pepper color you like. The options are endless. For that middle row, I have some ham that is diced up very small, and we're just doing a little bit of that ham into this whole row of bell peppers. All right, now for cheese, I have some freshly grated cheddar cheese, and that's gonna go with my bacon bell peppers, and we're putting that right on top, covering up that egg. And just like with everything else, you can use whatever cheese you like. You can put as little, you can even skip the cheese to make this an even healthier breakfast. But this is gonna be so easy and so delicious, and a good way to start your morning. With our ham, I'm gonna do some Swiss that I freshly grated. Oh my goodness, I think Swiss and ham go beautifully together, but this is so great. It's great if you have a lot of people coming over and they're picky eaters, because you can make each one customizable if that's how you wanna do things, but that looks absolutely perfect. Now we're gonna top these off with a little bit of garnish. I have some green onion to go with the cheddar and bacon, and we're just sprinkling that on right on top. I like my onion to be a little bit crisp, so that's why I'm adding it on before I cook, but you could also top these off once you pull them out of the oven. It is totally a preference thing. Now for the ham ones, I'm gonna do some chopped parsley. Just adds a nice little greenery, makes it more appetizing to look at, and it adds a good little flavor. And that is it, you guys. Our super easy bell pepper breakfast is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and you're gonna cook that depending on how you like your eggs, but I'm gonna put mine in for 25 minutes. Oh my, will you take a look at these? They smell incredible, they look incredible. It is time to give them a try. I am personally a bacon kind of girl, so we're just gonna go right under and grab a bacon one. And remember, we greased our pan so they come off beautifully. Now I did go for an over hard egg, but like I said, you can take yours out early if you don't like yours over hard. But this is perfectly cooked to me. Oh my goodness, okay. Put one more cut in there.
Smells delicious, babe.
Oh, this is gonna be such a good breakfast. Woo. Oh yeah, your family's gonna love this.